Today we're going to learn how to create blog content from the latest news using make.com and AI. If you're a blogger, having your content ready the moment breaking news breaks can be the difference between you and your nearest competitors. And while everyone else is wasting time manually writing their blog posts, we're going to show you how to automate this entire process and stay ahead of the curve. Our first module is going to be the Dumpling AI module, and our action is going to be the Search Google News action. We're going to set our search query, we're also going to set our country to the US, and we're also going to set our language to English. For our date range, if we're looking to get content out as soon as possible for hot topics, we should be looking to get news from this past hour. But for our topic of interest for this demonstration, we're going to be looking for news from this past day. We'll limit our results to 2 and move on. We're going to add another Dumpling AI module, and our action is going to be the Scrape URL action. We're going to scrape the URL links from our previous Dumpling AI module. We'll need the content of our Google News searches for our next step. We're going to add another Dumpling AI module, and our action is going to be the Generate AI Agent Completion action. Before we continue, let's take a quick detour to the Agents section in our Dumpling AI dashboard. We're going to create an AI agent specifically to generate blog posts. We'll give this agent a name, a description, and we're going to copy and paste a prompt we saved beforehand in our Google Docs. We're going to add 2 tools to our AI agent, the Scrape URL tool and the Search Google News tool. And with that, we've equipped our AI agent with some extra features to make its job easier. Let's save our agent, copy our agent ID, and paste it in our make.com scenario. For our message, our role is going to be user, and our content is going to be the content of our previous Dumpling AI module. Our last module is going to be the Google Docs module, and our action is going to be the Create a Document from a Template action. We're going to search for our Google Docs template in our hard drive. As you can see, we have an editable input in our Google Docs template. And if you were to hop on over to Google Docs, you'd find that setting up a template is a lot easier than you'd thought. It's just the word content, surrounded by 2 curly brackets. Our content is going to be the generated text from our AI agent. Let's give our document a name and save it to a location in our Google Drives. Let's run our scenario. And just to recap, we're searching Google News for the latest news on our chosen topic, we're scraping the URL from those news links, we're sending the scraped content to our AI agent, which will turn it into a blog post, and we're going to save the generated text to our Google Docs template. Our scenario has been a success. Let's hop on over to Google Docs and see if it worked. Just like that, we have a blog post based off the latest news on our chosen topic. With this automation, you can stay ahead of the curve and create blog posts on the latest news when it happens, beating your nearest competition with speed. Remember, it's always important to double-check your AI-generated content and fix any potential mistakes you find. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.